Hi there, I'm Rashid. Great to see you here. I have been working in creative media for more than 17 years, doing all of kind of things like video editing, graphic designing, motion graphics, and digital marketing. I also love working with tools like 3D Studio Max, Lumion, Twinmotion, and I have spent years creating documentaries and films. In my lessons, I help students learn real practical skills with software like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, and more. Don't worry, if you are a beginner, I will guide you step by step until you feel confident and creative. My classes are friendly, hands-on, and focused on what you want to achieve. So if you want to grow your skill, build a portfolio, or start creative career, I'm here to help you every step on the way. Let's get started. Book a trial lesson and let's creating something amazing together.